Hello everyone, myself Dr. Monica. Okay, my main motive for making video to introduce you the important topics of general anatomy. Okay, for NEET MDS 2027 is a very important topics from which one two questions every year asked. Okay, so begin with first important topic is the articulation. So before doing that articulation topic, we just know about the basic of bones. So first, what is the osteology? Osteology is the study of bones. Okay, father of anatomy is Heterophilus. Okay, Hippocrates is considered as father of medicine and founder of anatomy. Okay, modern day father of anatomy कौन? Andreas Vesalius. Okay, so our skeleton is divided into two, axial and appendicular. Axial skeleton includes 74 bones and appendicular skeleton include 126 bones. So what is included in axial skeleton? Axial skeleton consists of skulls, okay, hide bone, vertebral column. 1 minute, I just take a pen. Okay, now we'll talk about axial skeleton. The upright axis of the skeleton. The upright axis of skeleton, okay, is the axial skeleton. It consists of skull, hyoid bone, vertebral column, sternum and ribs. Straight axis. So long axis which included axial skeleton. It include 74 bones. Okay. Now we come to the appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeleton consists of 126 bones. 126 bone attached to axial skeleton, upper and lower extremities. Center portion is axial skeleton and the lateral extremities, arms and the legs is consist of appendicular skeleton, which consists of 126 bone. Okay, clear? Two type of division, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Now general terminology, it's skull is included full skeleton of head, face and lower jaw. Cranium, skull जिसके अंदर lacking lower jaw is absent. Calvarium, in which lower jaw, skull lacking lower jaw and face both are absent, is calvarium. Caloche, a brain case or skull cap. Only the cap portion is calote. Okay, brain case and skull cap. This is the general terminology. Okay, clear? Now we talk about sutures in skull. What is the sutures in skull present? For this, coronal suture, sagittal suture, lambdoid suture, squamous suture, metopic suture, parieto-mastoid suture, occipito-mastoid sutures, spino-occipital sutures, cruciform sutures. These will study in detail later on. Okay. Main focus of our is articulation. Articulation is very important topic for our NEET MDS, from which various questions are asked in NEET MDS. So main focus of our mainly is articulation. Okay. Later on we cover sutures. Sutures is also important, but this is a basic you already know. Just go through your BD Chorusya. Okay, general anatomy book, in which we later on cover it. First of all, we cover articulation. First, three type of articulation is here: fibrous joint, cartilaginous joint, and synovial joint. Fibrous joint surface of bone almost in direct contact with limited movement. Surface of bone, almost in direct contact. Two bones are direct contact में है with limited movement. Movement is there is no movement in between. Two bones unite strongly like a cement with no movement, because there is no intervening things between them like liquid and liquid, so that they move. That's why fibrous joint. So fibrous joint is divided into three types: syndesmosis, sutures, gomphosis. Firstly, there is a syndesmosis. Syndesmosis, two bones united by interosseous ligament. What is there? Ligament. Ligament is there to attach them. Two bones are approximated to each other. Ligament was holding them. There is no intervening things in between them. Interosseous ligament, interosseous उन दोनों के बीच में एक ligament attach करे two bones को united by interosseous ligament. Next is the sutures. Sutures, there is a serrated margin like that. I just draw clearly for you, like this, like that, and another bone has same pattern like serrated margins, and they join it to others. These serrated margins, like parietal bone of skulls of both sides having serrated margins which are joined by a thin layer of fibrous tissue. Intervening बीच में जो स्पेस बच गया, थोड़ा बहुत स्पेस तो रहेगा ही ना. Two bones intervening, two bones united by serrated margins united by thin layer of fibrous tissue. Fibrous tissue की thin layer united. Sutures, उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? Sutures. Next is the gomphosis. Gomphosis is the insertion of cone-shaped process into a socket. Like your teeth, you have a socket in which your tooth root is embedded. Intervening क्या होता है? Intervening there is a pedial fibers which hold them to bone. So this is the insertion of cone-shaped process. Cone-shaped process यानी कि root into a socket. This is called gomphosis. So fibrous joint is three types: syndesmosis, sutures, and gomphosis. Syndesmosis ligament से attach होंगी. Sutures is united by fibrous tissue, and gomphosis is united by cone-shaped process into a socket by pedial fibers. Clear? This is the fibrous joint in which fibrous tissues are present. Ligament, thin layer of fibrous tissue, and pedial fiber, all are fibrous tissues. Next, we talk about that articulation are three types. First is the fibrous joint. We already talked about it. Next is the cartilaginous joint, in which there is no joint cavity and contiguous bone joined by जो two bones हैं united by cartilage. Already know by your name, cartilaginous joint. So what is meant? Joined by cartilage. So this is two types. Synchondrosis. First is synchondrosis. Synchondrosis, end of two bone approximated by hyaline cartilage. There is hyaline cartilage in between. तो two bones जिनमें hyaline cartilage से join की जाए उसे बोलेंगे synchondrosis. Next is the symphysis, is approximated bone surface covered by fibrocartilage. फाइब्रोकार्टिलेज फाइब्रस कार्टिलेज है. फाइब्रस टिश्यू से बना हुआ, उसमें क्या है? हाइलाइन टिश्यू से बना हुआ है. तो जो फाइब्रस से बना है वो फाइब्रोकार्टिलेज, और हाइलन से तो हाइलन कार्टिलेज से। सो हाइलन वाला कौन से, सिनकोंड्रोसिस एंड सिम्फाइसिस। सिम्फाइसिस मेनली टॉप क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड इन नीट एमडीएस। Last year NEET 2025 there is question from this topic, symphysis, in also NEET MDS and also in INISET 2025 May. Okay, so remember it is important. Okay, next is the synovial joint. Synovial joint, what is synovial joint? A proximate bone surface covered with cartilage, may be separated by disc and attached by ligament. अप्रोक्स बोन सरफेस, जो बोन सरफेस है हमारे वो उनको कवर करती है कार्टिलेज, कार्टिलेज इनके ऊपर होता है, सेपरेटेड बाय एक डिस्क होती है, उसके बीच में एक डिस्क होती है पतली सी, ठीक है, अटैच बाय लिगामेंट, लिगामेंट होते हैं इनको अटैच करके रखती हैं बोन्स को, ठीक है। ओके, इस वेरियस टाइप, ओके, वी टॉक अबाउट, ओके। First is the hinge joint. Hinge joint is the permit rotation in. So there is a intervening disc in between them and some fluid also. Synovial joint na. Synovial fluid be came. Synovial joint understood by your name. So there is a disc and there's some fluid there. So there is a movement. So first there is a movement. So these bone have a movement. First is the hinge. Hinge joint is the permit motion in one plane only. Okay, okay, only permit rotation in motion only in one plane. You know 3D structures are there. It's only movement in one plane. To explain about the hinge joint. So hinge joint. This is the hinge joint. This is the hinge joint. So example of this, elbow. Your elbow, it's flexion and extension only, no other plane movement na. You don't extend and flex up and down, the flex up, flexion and extension only, no other movement, so only in one plane. So this is the example of hinge joint, and this is the joint we see in the, this is the joint, ठीक है, one bone and two bone only in one plane. Okay, next is the knee. Knee also, knee extension and flexion, you up down, ठीक है. Interphalangeal, same these also, ठीक है. Ankle joint, ठीक है, टिबिया एंड फिबुला के बीच में एंकल जॉइंट, टिबिया एंड फिबुला के बीच में जो एंकल जॉइंट होएगा हमारा, बस ऑल्सो फेलेंजेस के बीच में इंटरफेलेंजेस, नी के बीच में कौन कौन सी, फीमर एंड टिबिया, बोन के बीच में होता है, ठीक है. तो एक एक्सिस में ही वो प्लेन में मूवमेंट हो रही है, दैट इज हिंज. नेक्स्ट इज द पाइवोट. पाइवोट इज द परमिट रोटेटरी मूवमेंट इन विच रिंग रोटेट अराउंड द सेंट्रल एक्सिस. क्या है इसमें, पाइवोट. पाइवोट परमिट रोटेटरी मूवमेंट, ठीक है, रोटेटरी मूवमेंट होएगी इन विच रिंग रोटेट अराउंड द सेंट्रल एक्सिस, रिंग रोटेट करेगी. सो आई विल शो यू हाउ इट इज पाइवोट. दिस इज द रिंग, this is the ring rotate around a central axis. In the middle you see a single, okay, which is rotating, ठीक है. Example से you have clear it. Atlas and axis. Atlas and axis your cervical vertebrae. You know your bone has a dentoid process. Okay, what is it? It's single rod pieces which is going in the ring of another vertebrae, C1 vertebrae, ठीक है. C2 have a dentoid process, okay, ठीक है. C2 has a odontoid process, डेंस भी बोलते हैं जिससे, और जो रिंग में जा रही है किसकी, C1 की, ठीक है. तो वो कैसे, जो रिंग में जा रही है और एक वो रिंग में जा रही है, तो वो ऐसे रोटेट करेगी. सो योर मीडियन एटलेंटो एक्सियल, तो ये किसकी मूवमेंट हुई, योर नेक मूवमेंट, रोटेशन होएगी ना, रोटेशन होएगी ना, आपकी नेक मूवमेंट, नेक मूव करेगी ना, रोल रोल गोल घूमती है, तो उस रिंग के एक एक्सिस पे मूव कर रही है उस पर, ठीक है, उसे बोलेंगे पाइवट. और एग्जाम्पल, अदर एग्जाम्पल आर द प्रोक्सिमल रेडियो अल्नर, कितने बीच में, रेडियो और अल्ना के बीच में, योर रेडियस अर एंड अल्ना के बीच में, प्रोक्सिमल रेडियो अल्नर एंड द डिस्टल रेडियो अल्नर. यू हैव रोटेट योर हेड, रोटेट योर आर्म ना, upper no, okay, radius and ulnar. Next is the saddle joint. saddle opposing surface are concavo convex. opposing surface जो एक दूसरे को अपोज कर रहे हैं, concavo convex, एक concave होएगा, एक convex होएगा. this is concave and this is the convex surface which great freedom of movement, जिससे कि movement होएगी. okay, I clear it with the diagram. Okay, you just note it down. I will share this flowchart with you as a PDF form so that you easily remember and make sure not easily remember it. Okay, saddle, this is concavo convex surface. This is a concave convex surface and this is a concave, नीचे वाली बोन का, ठीक है. saddle एग्जाम्पल क्या है इसके, कार्पो मेटाकार्पल ऑफ थंब. कार्पल और मेटाकार्पल, जो कार्पल बोन्स हैं एंड मेटाकार्पल, तो ये, ठीक है, कार्पल एंड मेटाकार्पल बोन, कार्पल और मेटाकार्पल के बीच में थंब के, ठीक है, देख लो आप करके. ओके, स्टर्नम और क्लैविकुलर के बीच में, बिटवीन कार्पल बोन्स के बीच में भी होते हैं, ठीक है. मैनुब्रियम ऑफ स्टर्नम एंड क्लैविकल, जो जॉइंट्स होता है आपका यहाँ पे एंटीरियर चेस्ट भी बुक देख लो, मैनुब्रियम ऑफ स्टर्नम एंड क्लैविकल. दिस इज ऑल्सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सैडल जॉइंट, लाइक अ saddle of horse in which you sit. okay, horse riding करते हैं ना. okay, clear. next is the ball and socket joint, ठीक है. ball and socket joint, like a ball fitted in a socket and moving in all infinite number of axes, like a, I will draw it like that, and a ball like structure in a socket which is moving in all the socket. इस socket में move करेगा, गोल socket के अंदर move करेगा full. There is a disc in intervening it and joint where is fluid in between it, so easily they move it. Okay, I will show you the picture if I have, so that you have clear picture in your mind. This temporomandibular joint is ball socket joint na. Okay, this, okay, multiple axis पे movement हो सकती है. ball and socket joint, this is a ball and a socket upper, this is the socket and this is a ball attached in. okay, shoulder joint, the glenohumeral joint, so scapula और किसके बीच में, humerus के बीच में, scapula and humerus. there is a multiple axis movement, coaxial hip में coaxial bone and a femur, ठीक है. that is a multiple axis movement. देखो this diagram clearly show it. okay, this diagram show it you the clear picture of humerus, scapula और humerus के बीच में joint, shoulder joint है, glenohumeral. okay, clear. scapula and humerus bone के बीच में. so if you like it, so I cover this major topic, main topic of general anatomy. okay, you just quick revise it with this flow chart I will share you, and later on we discuss about the sutures and one another important topic for your knee time days. okay, If you like my video and my method of teaching, please like, share and subscribe the video. Okay, it will uplift my. Okay, thank you everyone.